Hi everyone! Today I'm making something a little different with the Shin Ramen. Peanut chili oil ramen is a great combo that's full of flavor but not too heavy or spicy. Whether you are a big fan of ramen or just looking for a new way to enjoy, I think you will really like this one. Let's get started. First, bring a pot of water to a boil and cook the Shin Ramen noodles for about 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Make sure to cook them al dente, nice and chewy, not too soft. While the noodles are cooking, finely chop 1 green onion and slice a boiled egg in half for a topping later. After 3 minutes and 30 seconds, once the noodles are done, drain them and rinse them briefly under cold water. This keeps them from getting soggy and gives them a chewier texture. Now we are moving into the mixing stage. Heat about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat. Add 2 tablespoons of chopped green onion, the dried veggie flakes, and half the soup powder from the Shin Ramen packet. 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Here comes the key moment. Pour hot oil over everything. Hear that sizzle? That's where the spicy aroma really kicks in. It smells so good already. Rich, nutty, and spicy all at once. Now add in the cooked noodles and toss everything together until well coated. Place the noodles in a bowl. Top with boiled eggs and sprinkle over some more chopped green onions for a fresh finish. Look at that! It's mouth-watering. Creamy peanut flavor with the spicy chili oil. It's a perfect flavor in every bite. Wow, this is so good. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.